Welcome to Powerviz. In this video, let's deep dive into the dynamic deviation feature of the Lollipop chart by Powerviz. The dynamic deviation feature lets you easily analyze the variance between two measures, helping you uncover insights at a glance. Whether you're comparing sales targets to actuals, or you are comparing month over month, or any two metrics, this feature can supercharge your analysis. Stay tuned as I walk you through how it works and how you can use it to enhance your reports. Let's get started. I've created a Lollipop chart here which is displaying the sales by month. Now let's head over to the advanced settings. Let's head to dynamic deviation and enable dynamic deviation. Now in the display style, there are quite a few options for you to choose from. You can either choose first to last, and then let's click on apply and see what happens. When you do that, you're comparing the first month with the last month and it is displaying the variance here. There are various standard options for you to choose from, like first to last actual, last to first actual, min to max, and penultimate to last. Let's choose min to max as an example. Click on apply, go back to report, and now you will see that the minimum value is being compared with the maximum value. Likewise, when you go back into dynamic deviation here, you also have penultimate to last. When you click on apply, you're now looking at November and December, which is being compared and displaying the results here. Let's go back into advanced settings again. Apart from these standard options, you also have custom range where you can define the index which you want to compare. Let's say, for example, you want to compare from 5th month to 12th month. So I'm going to enter index 5 here to 12 and then click on apply. Now, when I go back to my report, I'm now comparing May with the month of December, and it is displaying the results here, which is negative 16.7K. You also have an option here to create your own. When you select create your own here, make sure to check this box which says remove current deviation and click on apply. When you go back to report, you now have an option on the chart here to select the bars which you want to compare with. For example, let's say you want to compare the month of March with the month of September. All you have to do is hover over this particular marker. You get this plus icon. You can simply click on this and then drag it all the way until the September marker. And now a dynamic deviation has been created on the fly for you right on the chart. There are various formatting options available here under dynamic deviation, and there are 3 different deviation types that you can choose from. You can also control the width of the deviation. You can control the positive color and the negative color. You can also change the connector line. If you would like to turn off the connector line completely, you can do that as well. You can also change the line style here. You can control the width. You can change the color, and the label styles, you can turn them off or turn them on. You can choose to display whether value, or you can choose to display both percentage and value as well. When you click on apply, you can see that it is now displaying both the value as well as percentage change. Let's go back into dynamic deviation. Let's scroll down, and now you can also control the styling here, the text size, the color of the font, etc. That's it for today's video on the dynamic feature of the Lollipop visual by Powerviz. Before you go, make sure to download this visual from App Stores or directly from our website. Explore all the amazing features it has to offer and take your reports to next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.